Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of chestnuts. In the heart of nature's pantry, hidden beneath prickly shells, lies a humble treasure with a rich history and a bounty of health benefits. Chestnuts, often associated with winter warmth and festive gatherings, offer not just a delightful taste, but a plethora of nutrients that can nourish your body and elevate your well-being. So what makes chestnuts so special? Let's crack open the facts and explore the health benefits that make these nuts a wholesome addition to your diet. First and foremost, chestnuts are a good source of dietary fiber, which plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber adds bulk to the stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. The fiber in chestnuts acts as a prebiotic, providing fuel for beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy balance of gut bacteria is associated with improved digestion and overall well-being. The soluble fiber in chestnuts can help regulate blood sugar levels and lower cholesterol, contributing to cardiovascular health and indirectly benefiting the digestive system. Chestnuts, being low in fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols, may be well tolerated by individuals with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and may contribute to reducing symptoms such as bloating and gas. Adequate fiber intake supports the absorption of nutrients in the digestive tract, ensuring that the body efficiently absorbs essential vitamins and minerals. What's more, chestnuts are relatively low in saturated fat compared to many other nuts. Diets low in saturated fat are associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. The fats present in chestnuts are primarily unsaturated fats, which include monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats are considered heart-healthy and may help improve cholesterol levels. The fiber content in chestnuts can contribute to the regulation of cholesterol levels. Soluble fiber in particular helps lower LDL cholesterol by binding to it and aiding in its elimination from the body. Potassium, a mineral found in chestnuts, is essential for maintaining a healthy balance of sodium and potassium in the body. This balance is crucial for regulating blood pressure. Chestnuts contain vitamin B6, which is important for cardiovascular health. Vitamin B6 helps regulate homocysteine levels, and elevated homocysteine is associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease. Did you know chestnuts can be a suitable option for individuals looking to regulate blood sugar levels? They have a relatively low glycemic index, which means they cause a slower and more gradual increase in blood sugar levels compared to high GI foods. This can be particularly helpful for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to manage blood sugar levels. The carbohydrates in chestnuts are primarily complex carbohydrates, which take longer to break down and are absorbed more slowly than simple carbohydrates. This gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream helps prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar. The combination of low glycemic index and high fiber content in chestnuts may result in a reduced impact on insulin response. This can be beneficial for individuals with insulin resistance or those aiming to manage diabetes. Additionally, chestnuts are naturally gluten-free, making them a suitable option for individuals who have gluten sensitivity, celiac disease, or those who follow a gluten-free diet. They do not contain gluten, a mixture of proteins found in wheat and related grains. For individuals with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease, incorporating gluten-free foods like chestnuts can help prevent adverse reactions. Celiac disease is an autoimmune disorder triggered by the ingestion of gluten. Since chestnuts are gluten-free, they can be safely consumed by individuals with celiac disease. Chestnut flour, which is made by grinding dried chestnuts, can be used as a gluten-free alternative in baking and cooking. It adds a unique flavor profile and can be a valuable ingredient for those seeking gluten-free options. While allergic reactions to chestnuts are possible, they are relatively uncommon compared to allergies to other nuts. Chestnuts are tree nuts, but the proteins that cause allergies in some individuals are different from those found in more common nuts like almonds or peanuts. They are considered hypoallergenic compared to some other nuts, meaning they are less likely to cause allergic reactions. This makes them a potentially safer option for individuals with nut allergies, although it's essential to be cautious and consult with a healthcare professional if there are concerns. Chestnuts can be a versatile ingredient in gluten-free diets. They can be roasted, boiled, pureed, or used in various dishes, adding a nutty and sweet flavor without introducing gluten. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But wait, there is more. Chestnuts are a good source of vitamin C, an essential antioxidant that plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are important for fighting infections. In addition to vitamin C, chestnuts contain other antioxidants, including polyphenols. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in the body, which can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. This, in turn, may contribute to overall immune system health. Some components in chestnuts may have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help modulate the body's immune response. Chronic inflammation is associated with various health issues, and a balanced immune system requires appropriate regulation of inflammatory processes. Lastly, chestnuts contain minerals essential for bone health, including phosphorus and manganese. Phosphorus is a key component of bone mineralization, and manganese plays a role in bone development and maintenance. Copper, another mineral found in chestnuts, is involved in the formation of collagen, a structural protein that provides strength and flexibility to bones and joints. They also contain vitamin B6, which is important for bone health as it helps regulate homocysteine levels. Elevated homocysteine is associated with an increased risk of osteoporosis. Chestnuts have a relatively low oxalate content compared to some other nuts. Oxalates can bind with calcium and form crystals, potentially contributing to the development of kidney stones. By having a lower oxalate content, chestnuts may be a suitable option for individuals concerned about kidney stone formation. And there you have it, folks, the incredible journey through the wholesome world of chestnuts. So whether you're roasting them over an open fire during the holidays, blending them into a gluten-free flour, or simply enjoying a handful as a snack, remember that with each bite, you're nourishing your body and delighting your taste buds. All right, folks, it's your time to shine. We've uncovered the incredible health benefits of chestnuts, and now we're eager to hear from you. Have you given these nutritious nuts a try? Share your experiences, favorite chestnut recipes, or any questions you might have in the comments below. Your thoughts not only make this conversation richer, but also inspire others on their wellness journey. So don't be shy. Now we want to hear your chestnut tales, drop your comments, and let's keep this health-conscious community thriving. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.